thinking about making a move to Phoenix Valley, but you're not sure where to live? Well, in this video, I'm going to take you to Santan Valley. I'm going to show you a few different neighborhoods and show you around a few different homes at different price points so you can see what may fit your budget. And if you stick around to the very end, I promise to share with you the very best kept secrets. So we're getting after it right now. If this is your first time on the channel and you want to know everything there is to know about living in the Scottsdale Phoenix Valley, then subscribe below and tap that bell for notifications so you can be the first to know everything there is to know about the current market in the Phoenix Valley. I'm Gina with Relocating to Scottsdale, Arizona, and every day I get calls from people just like you. So whether you're making a move in 9 days or 9 months, feel free to reach out as all of my contact info is in the box below. We would be happy to help you make a smooth move to the Phoenix Valley. Now let's take a closer look to Santan Valley. So Santan Valley is about 1 hour away from Phoenix and Scottsdale, and that means you are a little bit further to the airport, but there is an airport in Mesa, Arizona that is about 20 minutes outside of the valley. Santan Valley is a great location. You still have entry-level homes for the new home buyers, but also you have luxury homes if that is something that you're looking for as well. There is a mix of planned communities, and then there's a mix of ranch style homes that actually have horse property and mini farms. So if you're looking to have horses or chickens, there are that opportunity out here as well. Okay, here we are walking up to our first home in Santan Valley. This home is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, a little over 2,000 square feet with a bigger lot. It's about 7,615 square feet, so lots of room in the backyard to build a pool if that's something you're looking for. It does not have one. This home is listed at $443,000. Great price point for a 1-story home here in Santan Valley. We are nestled in the Castlegate community, which is highly desirable. When I walked in, there was an elementary school right down the street, so maybe like a 2-minute walk or so. It's a good home for a family if you have kids and you want them to be able to walk to school, or you want to walk with them, and the high school is not that far away as well. This home is located very close to fine dining and restaurants. There's a Starbucks like maybe 4 minutes away, so it is a great location, centrally located, so you're not far from the freeway, as well as all the dining and stores and things you may need. One thing I really love about Santan Valley is that you still have a lot of horse properties. So if you're not looking to be in a planned community like we are in now, there are a lot of horse properties that you can have if you're looking to have some horses or maybe some chickens and things like that. So that's really awesome. Santan Valley is starting to blow up, so make sure you take a look at the date of when this video is posted, because I cannot promise these prices are going to be here next year or in the future, but it's still great for price point for first-time home buyers, or if you're looking to downsize, looking to sell that big home, kind of find something a little bit smaller but with great price points. Santan Valley is where it's at. So let's go check out our next home. Okay, so we're coming up onto our second home. It's gonna be hard to see because we do have this tree here. So let me see if I can get you over here. So this home is a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath. It's about 3,336 square feet, built in 2006. So a little bit newer neighborhood. This home is a mix of 2 stories and 1 series. Sorry, it's a little windy. We are in Laredo Ranch, which is another beautiful subdivision. This home is upgraded and it is listed at $539,900. When I drove into this neighborhood, you have a huge greenbelt with a park and a park play structure there. It was ginormous. And then on the right and the left of us, you do have 2 more really big green belts nearby, so a lot of places to walk to and to hang out outside with. This home is great because it has a bedroom downstairs, so it could be like used for an in-law suite, or great for guests to kind of keep you a little bit separated and reduce a little bit of noise. Let's head to the third one. Okay, we're walking up onto our third home. This home is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath. It was built in 2018. It's a little over 2,500 square feet. This home is listed for $725,000. This home has a huge backyard with almost a 10,000 square foot lot and a pool. This home has an RV gate and is fully renovated with a gourmet kitchen and large island for entertaining. We are in the Paloma Ranch community. This community is super cute. The homes have a little bit different styles to all of them. When you drive in, you have a huge green belt at the front. So if you have a dog and need to run your dog, or have kids who want to go play, you do have the opportunity over there. And it's basically a 1-minute walk from this house. This community is really nice and clean, and you're just right off the highway. So you do have easy access to all the shopping, restaurants, and everything you need from there.